Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan. Welcome to today's product review. So my friend, all along I've been using a Lav Mic. You can see it is clipped on my shirt, and I felt like I need to do away with the Lav Mic and at least buy a BM microphone. That is of course a condenser microphone. So I bought this online and I've been able to receive it today. So I felt like I should do a review so that we see the difference between this Lav Mic and of course the condenser mic. Then you will make your own decision. Maybe you want to buy this product. So this is BM 200 condenser microphone, specifically EN Core 3. Of course it is E series. And my friend, this product, for me, it is amazing. At least it has given me an opportunity to have a better audio. But for my friend, I don't want to decide for you. I just want to show you the review of it, and then you'll make your own decision. So my friend, here is the microphone. Of course, I've removed the packaging and all that because I didn't want to waste a lot of time to show you this. So this is how the microphone itself looks like. Of course, this is just a poster, and it is written in I think it is Chinese. I don't read Chinese, so I won't read that. So this was on the package. Of course, it just shows my name, and it's telling me that this product weighs 0.250 kgs. So maybe that's the important thing, and you have the order number, so it doesn't matter a lot. So my friend, all I need to show you is this product itself. And my friend, I want to show you how to connect it, and we shall test it and see how beautiful this product is. So my friend, you see I've been able to get the microphone itself. I've also been able to get, allow me to put this here, I've been also able to get a cable and a stand. So this is the microphone itself. It is EN Core 300. It's a BM 200 condenser microphone, and it is plastic, but then this part is metallic. So my friend, and it is condenser, so it can receive sound from any side, either if you are speaking directly to it or from the side, it still picks the sound. And my friend, we have a 1.5 meter long cable. So this cable is 1.5 meters long, and my friend, it comes to connect to a 3.5 millimeter jack, which can be put in a laptop or in a phone. So my friend, this is all you need. And then allow me to put this here. So it has this foam. It has two foams. We have the first one and the second one. This only cancel the air. Maybe if there is some wind, you are recording outside and we have some wind, they really help a lot in blocking such wind. So my friend, also it avoids you to corrode this metallic part, so that when you are speaking, your saliva does not spit on this very microphone, but instead it spits on this foam. So it is of great use to us. So my friend, of course, we have a stand here. This stand is three-legged, and my friend, these legs are metallic, but all the other parts are plastic. And my friend, we have some threads here. I don't know if you can be able to see them. These are just elastic. I'm afraid they can break anytime, but I hope they won't. So this elastic is where you put your microphone. So of course, allow me first of all to cover it just like this, because it's advisable, my friend, to cover this. And in case this one gets torn, I think it's cheap. It's only 100 shillings. You can buy another one. So all you need to do is to take it inside here, so that this elastic, rubbers can hold it, and it is held in place. And after that has been done, of course, you'll need to balance it, so it is on the table. And my friend, this very wire or this very cable connects our foam so that it can be well placed. So all you need to do is to take it through here. We have some there is a hole here. I don't know if you can be able to see it, but I don't think you can. So all you need to do is to take it in here, just like that. Let me do this. You take it in there, just like that. Then I will tighten it so that it is put in place. Then on this foam, there is a hole here which is threaded. So all you need to do is to tie it on this very wire here. It's also threaded, so all you need to do is to make sure that it is well placed on this very microphone. And my friend, this is how it will look like from this end. So when you speak, your sound will all of course go through here. So, and if you have a guest, you can place it at the center so that all of you can share that. After that has been done, all you need to do is to take this very cable, and it has 3 ports. This one has also 3 ports. So my friend, all you need to do is to look at how it is looking and the orientation that is taking, and my friend, all you need to do is to do that. So that is what you need to do. The microphone doesn't have any button, so it is on by default, and all you need to do now is to take this jack and place it either in a computer or in a phone. So for me, I'm using a phone, so all I need to do, I want to change this from the Lav Mic to this very microphone. So my friend, I've been able to change this very cable, so you can see now it is connected to my phone. So the recording that you are hearing now is from this microphone, and this microphone is about 10 centimeters from where I am. Maybe let me just place it this way. So it is about 10 centimeters from where I am. If I can move it close, I don't know if you can hear the difference between the voices, and if I can place it far away from me, it is now almost 50 centimeters away from where I am. I hope you can still hear my voice. You can place it further, try different positions and see how it is speaking the voice. So for example, if I put it away, maybe away from the screen, how does it record? Can it record from the side? Because it's a condenser microphone, so I expect that this voice should also be captured. And what if I put it on this other side? Can it still record? Because it's a condenser microphone, and all we expect is that it should be picking that very sound. But normally you will have it facing you. So my friend, when it is here, my friend, you can be comfortable and speak to your people. Of course, if you're having a podcast or if you're just making a tutorial, you may want to use this, maybe if you have a computer here and there. So my friend, I'll be using this microphone in my next live stream, which will be on Monday on my main channel, Aero Productions. My friend, you can visit that channel and make sure that you subscribe. My friend, if you are getting value at this point, feel very free to subscribe to this very channel, where I'll be giving you computer related videos that will help you make this better. So you've been listening to an edited voice. I want you to listen to a voice that is raw. So my friend, this voice that I'm speaking is raw. I haven't edited it. I don't know how it sounds to you. It is now your choice to go and buy it. You can buy it if you want, but I recommend this. It is cheap. My friend, you can always buy this. If you want to buy such a microphone, find a link in the description. In fact, I'm going to put it at the first link so that you can go and purchase this very condenser microphone. My friend, it is affordable, and the quality of the very audio that you're getting is so beautiful. So that was an edited. So we are getting back to edited as I make this conclusion. My friend, in case you found value at this very point, feel very free to hit that subscribe button, and not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials that I'm going to offer on this channel. In case you haven't watched my other videos on this channel, feel very free to visit this homepage of my YouTube channel and be very sure to watch these videos. I promise they won't disappoint you. My friend, you can also give this video a like if you like it, my friend, so that I can be able to reach out to many more other people. So this a microphone. That was the review. I hope you like it, and in case you have any additional information, feel very free to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.